there's a new AI game development tool called LUDUS AI, and this is quite an interesting tool. It is the complete AI toolkit for Unreal Engine developers. So we would just be looking at this and bringing this to your attention for the developers or software or game engineers in the house. Drop a comment on if you have tried this or if there are other interesting products too. So this is what it says. It's just a very specific tool to help uh, generating code or 3D models. Basically what you use Unreal Engine for, it's kind of assists you with AI. It also mentions it supports Unreal Engine version 5.1 to 5.6, which is quite interesting. So you have a pretty cool area. You have like the all-in-one toolkits. So you have the assistant, companions, and composer, quite interesting. And they have a demo, which is quite interesting too. We can quickly check out. So we see how it looks like. It's cool. And it has a pretty interesting interface. You just put your prompt and it produces some code. It also works across different coding platforms. And it helps with modeling itself too. So that's pretty cool. That's what it looks like. Let's do a quick login and see what the interface inside is. This is the pricing. Free, they have some free one, but you get 300 credits. Indie for indie developers, $10. Pro and Enterprise. This is the recommended one. And so once you sign up for free, you get to try for 14 days and you get access to the premium one for like the pro one for like 14 days just to have a few. So let's quickly log in and just see what inside looks like. I won't be actually integrating it with any platform. Folks, if you have integrated it with any platform, do share how you find it. So this is what it looks like once you sign in. You see your credit. You could also try Pro for 14 days. These are the different IDE you can integrate with. This. Cursor is pretty good now. Cursor, VS Code, or if you use any of these ones, which are pretty heavy. So you could do this or this. You could also select your different version and you could download the plugin after you select your Unreal Engine version. So it's quite interesting. So this way you see your plugin, you see integration, how to integrate with VS Code. You have key documentation, or if it's Cursor, if it's VS Code, you have like a well documented way of integrating your API key. Do keep this private. You're not meant to share this. So they have a very nice chat. You can also like prompt it or ask simple question on how to start as a beginner. This is a pretty common question. You could just ask how to start as a beginner and you would see some of the interesting things it will come up with. So a question we ask is how to start as a beginner. Then if you want to do Unreal Engine development, we see it gives us some cool answers on where to start. So yep, it's still working on stuff. It gives some first project ideas. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Ability to chat with this and ask anything on the platform itself makes sense. And we have the billing, monitoring, and documentation. So the documentation is the important part. So you could check how to start. You see some essentials, how to do your setup, then how to prompt better, because prompting takes your credit. So how to use it better to get more efficient usage of that. So for 3D generation, for using C++, this is what they have, and workflow with UE5. So it's an interesting tool with a nice doc. So if you have tried this, if you've used it for any development, do drop a comment. If you've actually noticed some things about it, do drop a comment. If there are other products too they have tried which helps with game development, also drop a comment. So that's pretty much it. It's just bringing attention to this new tool that will help with game development or specifically for Unreal Engine. Let me know how you guys find the tool. That's it for this video. Bye.